Well, good evening everybody. It's Dr. A again in the garden, and I simply want to show you why Liriope is such a popular and important ground cover in many parts of the country, particularly here in the southeast. This ground cover, just look at it, fills the area beautifully, and this variegated form is not only just a great ground cover but also wonderfully beautiful. It'll have blue flowers with a little bit of black fruit, and just no maintenance, hardly any love needed, just get out of the way. So this is Liriope, a ground cover, the variegated form. Enjoy. You'll see a lot more information on my app. If you go to Armitage's Great Garden Plants on your iPhone or Android, you'll love it. Anyway, enjoy your gardening. Come see me in beautiful Athens, Georgia. All the best.